This video documents restoration of a cement-based terrazzo floor. Its conversion includes old sealer removal, several repairs, and protective refinishing. The first step in the restoration process is surface protection of adjacent surfaces. While the work is not abnormally messy, some portions of the work are done wet. Irregular or ornate surfaces here are best protected to prevent later cleaning. The terrazzo floor is covered by thick floor finish. To remove the buildup, diamond grinding will be done using metal bond diamonds. The process is done using a rotary machine and water. The work is done carefully to prevent any chance of surface damage. As the topical contaminants are removed, a wet vacuuming follows to manage and recover the waste. Once the surface has been cleaned, chemical stripper is applied. This is done to soak the terrazzo's pores. Inside these voids are floor finish residue. Following the stripper application, a scrubbing process follows to agitate the softened residue. Following this work is wet vacuuming to collect the waste. Concurrent to the floor finish removal is work done to clean stairs and surfaces that must be done by hand. Full removal of old sealers is just as necessary here as in areas done by the larger equipment. Besides surface cleaning, some floor repairs are necessary. One such area is a broken stair nosing. Repairing damage such as this varies by material type and location. Fashioned here is a formed process whereby a new terrazzo patch is placed, allowed to cure, and finished to match. The work to smooth and polish this repair is done to a similar extent as the existing floor. Also repaired are cracks that have occurred over time as the floor has aged. The attempt is made to mask these fractures so the final result is as visually uniform as possible. Once the repairs are complete, detail polishing is done on the stair risers and wherever handwork is required. The primary aim is to make all surfaces uniform in color and polish. For the floor area, treatment continues with a polishing procedure to refine the terrazzo surface. This process is done slowly and completely to fully process the stone-based flooring. This process is done slowly and completely to fully treat the stone-based flooring. A monorotation weighted machine is used to carefully process the floor. The work is done wet. As the work progresses, a vacuum follows to collect and manage the byproduct slurry. Once all surface processing has been completed, the floor is washed. An auto scrubber and white polish pad is used to soften and lift all fine residues from the surface. After some dry time, the floor is cleaned using a microfiber mop. This work is necessary to recover any surface debris such as dust or dirt that may have settled on the surface. Following this is a dry surface buffing to further refine the terrazzo's finish. To finally complete this restoration process, a topical sealer is applied to provide stain protection. This ensures that incidental exposure to spills or to regular cleaning activities will not damage the restored surface. The sealer is applied as a thin topical product. Once cured, a dry buffing is done to smooth and polish the sealer. And that's about it. Restoration of a cement-based terrazzo floor. Its conversion included old sealer removal, several repairs, and protective refinishing.